Hello everybody. Today I will be showing you how to throw different pitches in baseball and how to grip the ball to throw them. The first pitch I will be showing you how to throw is the beginning pitch for everybody. Everybody should know how to throw this, regular fastball. So for the baseball, with the fastball, you want to take, this is called the horseshoe of the ball. You just want to take your index and your middle finger, and you want to just go across that horseshoe, just about like this. Nothing really special to this. You just flick your wrist, throw it. This is your strike finding pitch. This is just your backup pitch. Easy to throw. Should look something along the lines of this. And another grip for a fastball is called a two-seam fastball. It's gripped, so the horseshoe, where it comes around to this, you take the same fingers and you go down the middle of it. This pitch, I throw it against lefties towards the outside, because this pitch runs away to the right of you, and it runs away from lefties. So I like to throw it on the outside so they could, chase it outside. The next pitch that I throw is my breaking ball. The breaking ball I decide to throw is a slider. My grip for a slider is on the horseshoe. You take the same fingers and you go on the inside of the horseshoe. Basically, for this one, you want to basically like you're cutting the ball in half with your fingers to get that spin that cuts through. That one looks like this. Basically, for any breaking ball, there's different grips. Some people go across the seams like this. For any breaking ball, people just try to get the most grip on the laces as possible, so they can really, to create that spin, they want to snap down through the laces. Another obvious one you've probably heard of is the curveball. Just that one's could be the same grip, but that one you really come over the top, and you take your thumb and you push through the ball to create that top spin that just dives down. And for the last pitch that I'll be showing you is a changeup. I throw a circle change. So on that same middle part, you take these two fingers, you go on the inside of this, and you create a circle with your thumb and your pointer finger. And the weird thing about a changeup is, instead of just going like that, slapping your wrist, you do a thing where you pronate like this. It creates that spin like this that dives and falls away from the batter or towards the batter, depending if they're righty or lefty. That should look something like this. This is my pitch usually when a batter is usually really early on the ball, because it's not as fast as my fastball. It looks like a fastball coming out, and they're going to be ahead of it, but it'll just dive away from their bat. Another form of a changeup is called the splitter. This is kind of I guess a more rare one, because you need to have bigger hands to throw this one, because you have to get around the ball basically. But this one you don't pronate. You throw like a regular, and because of your fingers being so far outside, you don't get as much spin, so it will just drop away from the batter. And that's it. Thank you.